Everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial and a new paper perk. In case you missed it, I have a new feature on my YouTube channel, which are the Paper Perks video tutorials. Each video tutorial matches a free download printable that you can access and download in the special Paper Perks Facebook group. There is a link in the description under the video. You need to be a YouTube channel subscriber of mine to access the Facebook group, and all the printables are in that Facebook group for you to download for free. You can also share projects that you make with the printables, ask questions, interact with other fans, and with me, of course, in that Facebook group. And each printable is also has a corresponding video tutorial to show you what you can do with each of the printables that you download from the Facebook group. So you need to visit both the YouTube channel and my Facebook group. So this is Paper Perk number 4, and I'm going to cut all the pieces and come back to show you what you can do with it. Okay, so I cut both our pieces, and we are going to ink the edges and then create something that is really cute. We're going to create a hidden pocket. So actually we're going to create a double hidden pocket. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Ink the little tags. Okay, so first I want to bring my little mat, cutting mat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut along her hair with a craft knife. You can do this with small scissors if it's more comfortable for you. This is going to be hidden pocket number 1. So how is this going to work? We're going to make sure that these are in the direction that they need to be, and then we are going to apply glue only to the outer frame. Like this, only to the outside, like this. And then glue them one on top of the other, back to back. So when we flip them, they both have a design. If one is slightly bigger than the other, simply trim it. Okay, so next we're going to bring a craft knife or a trimmer or something like this, and we are going to cut about 1 inch like this. While they are glued together, just cut. Don't be afraid. Just cut this in half. Now here we have a tiny little pocket. We're going to insert paper in here, like this. So what we're going to do is apply glue, because this paper is going to be stuck. Apply glue to the left side of this paper piece on both sides, and then we're going to insert it into this piece here all the way. So now this piece here is going to go inside like this. So you have a hidden pocket. Now what we're going to do here, we can tuck things under like this. So we have this that goes out, and we have the other pocket on her head. So let's bring our Paper Perks junk journal, and we basically don't want to just glue it because then we won't be able to. So what I'm going to do is, let's create something else. Okay, so what we're going to make for this to be attached to this page is a hidden paper clip. So I have here a piece of just paper and a paper clip. And then I've taken one of the tags and added another piece so it will be a full rectangle. This piece we have from Paper Perk number 1, a leftover. And then I folded it in half and cut a little piece out to make a tiny hole, you can see, for the paper clip to go through, like this. So now we're going to attach the two pieces together. Apply glue only on the inside paper, not the outside paper, because we need this to stay open so the paper clip can catch or secure whatever it is we want it to secure. Okay. So now we have the paper clip. I always like to have one edge slightly shorter than the other, so it will be easy to attach the paper clip together like this. And we have this on the other side. It matches our theme here. And then we can go ahead and that is not glued. Of course, everything needs to be secure before you do this, not be as impatient as I am. And this one can go. Let's add this to the top, more to the top, like this. So now we have this secured to the page. Whenever we want, we can take it out and use our hidden pocket and our little tags. So I really hope you like this tutorial and this Paper Perk number 4. Again, if you want to download the free printable, you need to join the Paper Perks Facebook group. You have a link in the description under the video. You need to be my YouTube channel subscriber, so you can just hit on that subscribe button and subscribe. And then go ahead and join the Facebook group to download this printable and all the other printables that are there. And then you can do what I did, make this project or any other project that you want with the printables. I am of course adding all of them to my Paper Perks junk journal. This is what we already made. These are all printables. The little envelope printables, the little tuck-ins. It is all available in the Facebook group. Go ahead, join, and download everything. And thank you very much for joining me. I will see you next time.